Good Saturday morning is your Loudoun County Weather Outlook. Looking at the models on this run. Right now, I can say that the rain's pretty much done for the day. This forecast model is a little bit delayed as far as getting the rain out of here, but it has cleared the area. We should see some clearing skies this afternoon, highs in the mid-50s. Tomorrow nights are highs in the upper 50s. Same on Monday. Monday, a little cooler, mid-50s, but then Tuesday, upper 50s, and then Wednesday, really warm. Highs up around 64, 65 degrees. Could do a little bit better than that, depending on how much sun we get. Then we cool off for a bit on Thursday, highs around 50. Friday, only in the low to mid 40s. Long range has really kind of shifted the cooler air out towards the west. Not surprised. It's always hard to get the trajectories just right on the long range model forecasting. We will cool off for a bit, and then we could see temperatures moderate back to normal or even above normal. And we'll see. Have to see how that goes here. All right, so going to today, yeah, this is the weather forecast is the lowest pulling away, or that disturbance. We didn't get that much rain either, about a quarter to not even a half an inch anywhere. Really a little over about 0.3 of an inch. That was about it for anybody who got the most, and even less than that in the area. So here we go. Pretty nice, like I mentioned, the next couple of days. Then we get to Tuesday afternoon, evening into Wednesday. Maybe a few showers will come through here. It doesn't look very wet anymore. At one point, this looked really wet. So just a few showers, and then eventually, as the day goes on Thursday, temperatures really cool off as this low up here in Canada is going to pull the cold air and windy conditions into the region for our Thursday and Friday. Fridays, again, remember, highs only really in the low to mid 40s. Feeling pretty chilly as well. Then we see a slight warm up as this front kind of goes to the north of us, and then that tries to bring in cool air, but it doesn't do it. I wouldn't be too concentrated on anything down here in the Gulf, but notice that the trend is not colder, but a stormy and maybe even warmer pattern in the long run as southerly winds get involved. Hopefully we get some moisture out of the south, maybe not from a hurricane, but some kind of moisture to come up into the region and help us with our drought situation. And in the very, very long range, you can see that cold air is kind of dumping here in the west and then eventually making it east. Maybe that will be something for us to watch. But again, so far off, as we can already tell, forecast models do have a hard time with the timing of cold air events and impending cold into the country. Just have to see if these things come true. So again, we just don't hold it, to truth when it gets far off. It's more speculative. So what does it look like for the rain over the next 7 days? Not much rain really at all. So this is the Weather Prediction Center's outlook over the next 7 days, and really it's only shown about a tenth of an inch of rain here if we go local. Not much. And that may be even just from today, but some showers possible, like I said, Tuesday into Tuesday night. Our drought is really bad. Couldn't get a local map yesterday, but it's really, we continue in the moderate to severe drought in the region. So not good from a weather outlook for rain. Now, if we go to the regional outlook here on the colder temperatures, 6 to 10 days. So this is that first push of the cool air, but by the long range, it shows that milder conditions of cold air kind of spilling into the middle part of the country, and that pushes what we call the southeast ridge. I think it gives us warm summers, or hot summers. Will warm us up some, and then eventually maybe this bleeds east. We'll have to see how things go in the long run. But that's pretty much all I have to share. Not too much or exciting. From a weather perspective, we are looking pretty good. Definitely cooler as we head into next weekend, and then the cold air looks at this point like it could go away. But we'll have to see. Some of the models have a hard time, and things shift around, so we'll see. Have a good one.